The WalkingPad S1 Folding Treadmill, which we've chosen as the best runner-up underdesk treadmill for 2024. This treadmill is an excellent choice for those in search of a compact, space-saving solution. Users have praised its streamlined design, easy installation process, and its ability to collapse down for simple storage. One of the key features of the WalkingPad S1 Folding Treadmill is its impressive speed range, which reaches up to 3.72 miles per hour. The belt speed can be manually adjusted in increments of 0.5, providing greater control over your workout intensity. While the accompanying app is relatively basic, it serves its purpose by enabling you to manage and unlock higher speeds. The WalkingPad S1 stands out from the crowd due to its unique folding feature. It can be folded in half and rolled smoothly in and out of confined spaces, such as under a table, couch, or bed, thanks to the two rollers on the bottom of the unit. Moreover, the high-precision pressure sensor embedded in the walking belt allows for speed control at 3 different levels: high, medium, or slow. This is achieved by stepping in the front, acceleration zone, middle, uniform speed zone, or tail, deceleration zone. Equipped with a wear-resistant anti-slip walking belt and a multi-layered structure designed to minimize noise, the WalkingPad S1 ensures a comfortable walking or jogging experience. Whether at home or in the office, you can exercise without disturbing your family, neighbors, colleagues, or even your own peace and quiet. However, it's crucial to note that its maximum weight capacity is 220 pounds. The WalkingPad S1 comes with several safety features, including child lock protection, overload protection, automatic standby mode, and speed limit functions for beginners. This makes it a reliable and secure choice for all users. By connecting to the Fit app or using the LED light on the control panel, you can track your workout data and progress. This feature motivates and encourages regular exercise. Additionally, the treadmill comes with free installation and offers 2 operating modes, Plus and Play, further enhancing its user-friendly appeal.